Two materials on the same object with different displacement, modifier type. Go to Edit Mode, Tab key, to assign another material directly on the selected faces. Now, let's try to activate both displacements of both materials. By default, the two displacements overlap. So, to avoid this, we have created a smart button, which creates vertex groups, based on where the materials are on the faces of the mesh. Pressing this button will make displacements on the object independent. To change the settings of the two different displacements of the two materials, you will need to select the material slot you want to work on. Whenever you change the materials on the faces, you will have to update the vertex groups, pressing 2 times the Smart Separator button, off and on again. To better separate the boundary between the two displacements, I add some more polygons. This will make the junction point between the two different materials with displacement look better.